And here we are again. Before the break, I was trying to compare my print statements with what we have in the code to check where exactly is it breaking and what are the values. And now I'll redo that comparison because I think I messed up when comparing in my head, that is. And to everyone who's new, which is probably everyone, I am Juliana and I work at the Open Information Security Foundation as a software developer and writing documentation and whatever else is needed of me for the Suricata network monitoring and security tool. And right now we are working on optimizing how we handle the alerts queue, and that's it for now. So here we are again. I did not get the error. We did not get the error with the packet 4. So we will be checking with packet 7. And it looks ugly because I forgot that the formatted print function for C would not add a line break automatically. I'm too spoiled. And that's the pity result. Let's move on. All right, so the function that appends the alerts will only increment alert count at the end. So when we have the first packet 4, packet 7, this is the first. So after this one, alert count is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay. So it's 12, I guess. Let's do one more thing to make my life easier. I'll copy all of these here. And if I have to redo this calculation for any reason, I'll have each of them in one line. This will make everything easier. Eventually I learn. I miss having my super key working. But it's not on my priority list to fix it. I guess it should be. Okay, almost done. Let's I will do this and then I'll add the rest. Very, very good. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. After, when we reach this, it would be 0, but after it would be 1. So this is the result. And so if my thinking is correct, after this we have 11 and we are at 11 here. That is my thinking. Why? Because what is the name? Alerts count. This is alerts count. It starts with 0, and after we add the first signature, it goes to 1, then to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and so on and so forth. And here we have the break. So I'm assuming it happened here. And if it happened here, we did not reach the end of the function. So this would be 12. So I'm assuming it's still 1. Well, just a moment. Back. The Airbnb landlady was calling me. So yeah, I think it's 11. So if this is 11, this was the first part. You're here. This happened. And for that to happen, it means I need to turn this down a bit. I would be back at alert count -1. So I starts at, I'm debugging by hand. Wow. 11 minus 1, which is 10. If I is 10, I think it makes sense because I did not have this. We are here. This is the last one that we have. And the internal ID is 516, and we are trying to insert 514. So I is decremented. I goes to 9. It's 516. We decrement again. 8. 515 again. 515 again. I hate this. At 7, it's 515. At 6, it's still 515. At 4, it will be 514. So let's see. At 6, nope. At 5, nope. We decrement again. It is now 4, and this breaks because it's equal. and we break the circle. We go here, I++, so I goes back to 5. Target pose will be 6 space pose target will be 15 minus 1 minus I, which is 5. It could just be, as I said, minus target pose. Well, which means it's 9. Then to move is the minimum between space pose target, which is 9, and alerts count, which I decided was 11 minus I. 11 minus 5 is 6. Why is it 6? Because I'm counting wrong. No, I'm not. Why isn't it? Why is it 7? What am I doing wrong? The only way for this to work is if alerts count as 12. In any case, I don't see how we got that 0, so it means we have another one. Yeah, it can't be that one because to move is not 0 there, so that's where my error is. This one was fine. Then we add another one, of course. Then we have one here. Which we do not see because everything breaks. Okay. I need a print statement before that. Would that work? I don't like this. But where on the stack it could work? Detect 1488. What do we have there? Well, the good thing is that when I decide to have my lunch, I will have, I can leave this running. What is it? 1488. Guess the name. All right. So before that, first thing I can do is this. But I think we do a formatted print with what is it? Printf with ln. Don't you have like something like, I don't recall, formatted print. Basics of formatted input output in C. For real, for real. Okay. What can I do? Let's do it then. Let's add something here. No, it's like that. Okay. Since I'm changing, I'll change all of them. This is the first. Now I want one that tells me I have the packet. No, it's the, I have this. Okay, we have the signature, which could be just an unsigned, apparently. Okay. Do I want to print anything else? If I tried to print the packet, it would be just too much. I could, however, it would not make sense to print the alert count here, because everything else happens from within. But each time this is called, we will have the alert count. Yeah, I guess I'll try to print it here. Ready? Direct. No. Was it? What is it? It's an unsigned. Let's add a line break, because I'm okay. I'm guessing this is enough here. And since I'm changing everything, let's add the other statements that I want. Do we still want one where we increment packet count, since I have that other one? Don't know. We have the transaction ID in the other one, so maybe we don't need that. I want to know what's the packet to which we are adding things here. So to packet, what's packet number? I don't recall. I don't need it to be a primitive number here, because I'm not, this is just local. So now that I understand better what it means, I guess I can just have it like that. Oops, I did it in the wrong place. to packet. And what is the packet? How did I get that information? Pcap count. I don't think it's yeah, but it's a pointer, so it has to. Yeah. Oh, TNT. TNT. I'm dynamite. TNT. And I will not fight. All right. We have the line break there. Oops. All right. Where else? I think I want one here. Let me check. Package from inside menus. Okay. Where insertion happens. So it's here. What do we want here? We want, because here insertion really happened. Someone just asked if I ever tried to make a game in MS-DOS, and indeed, one of the first big project assignments when I was in college was it was a group project, but we had to. I don't think it had to be a game. It just had to be something, and we actually did a Tetris for MS-DOS. It was called Trellis because our professor back then did not know Tetris. So when we mentioned it, he was like, "Oh, so you want to do this Trellis game, right?" And that was the name, and we did. It was an interesting experience going with graphical stuff through MS-DOS, and we added lots of cool features like having a debug mode where one would see what our metrics looked like. We had a key where you could change the color of the tile that was keys, or the block that was coming down, because we would have more points added if the line that was completed was of the same color. And we had a drop down menu, and that made me very happy because it looked like choo 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 choo. It was fun. But right now it's been forever since I worked with game development. The Tigri that is on Twitch is just the closest one I found because it was game and software development. But right now I don't. But yeah, I have. And it was fun. And we did try some other games, but it's not really what I do. Yeah, bye. What I answered. Okay, back. I want to know the position where I already have this appended. I'll go with the internal ID. to position. What's the position? POS. And it's also an unsigned. Do I need any other information here? I already know the packet, but just in case, to packet, I have the packet count everywhere. Because I'm not a good debugger. That's why. No, it's, yeah. Internal none, then we want POS, it's just POS, and here we want pcap count. Yeah, it's fine. I should delete that swap thing. What else? I have added where the insertion happens. The transaction ID is sort of there. I don't know if I want one where the packet count is incremented. I don't need alert max because it is what it is. And I think I want something else here. If I have target pose, I'll have all the information that I want. I already have to move, so yeah, I'll add it here. So organized. Target pose. And target pose. Very, very good. We are missing formatting option. It's an unsigned. This should be enough. Do I need anything else? I changed to target pose, but it's here. I'm trusting that alert max is what we say it is. The transaction ID is on the other print statement, and we have the alert count before we call append. So I think that's more than enough, because then it will be called again and things would be enough. All right, I think that's what we need for now. Where was I compiling this whole thing? I think it was here. Why not get one more terminal? I need, oh, what did I do wrong? All right, I cannot. Yeah, I'll have to use the other ones. All right. I can use long int, long 194. Did I get the error with target pose? I did not. It was just here with the packet, which has to be, oh, go back. All right, Where else? 195 count, right? Then 224. Same thing here. Oh, with both packet I guess so. Okay. See, that's why we compile before we go to the longer compiling thing. Again. Why did I just... Oh, both? No, I did in the wrong place. Oh, no, I did both. I need both. And I did not do it because I was unfocused. Did not pay enough attention. Pcap count. Position. Y is position. What? Wait. Argument 4 has type. That was for, okay. What do we have for? Aha, okay. I added a bug to my code because position is not long int, which was what I was trying to figure out. Remove kept count there, alright. So 196 is still wrong. Good job, good job. Let's see. Flag used with pickup count. Argument has type n. Wait, I'm up there. Flag used with Oh, we don't have enough information. Wait, what did I do? Yes. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. Am I missing one? Don't think so. This is here. Oh. We have to move here. We have the signature here. Internal here. Then I have this. One, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Why do you think there's no flag? You don't recognize this for some reason. I'll assume it's something else and try again. Well, I only have one error now. and it's mismatching. It's something very silly that I cannot see. I'm sure of it. How? I will not. I don't understand, to be fair, but I will not. I'll just to the other side. To the other side. To the church. Not F, B. There, gun. I hope this will be enough for you and you'll be happy. First, let's add things here. It's here. Oh. Search a packet. We need a line break here. We don't need this. We don't need this. All right. Not very confident because I don't really understand what the error was this time. Please. Something did not go well. Maybe I was missing a comma or something. Can I know? Maybe if I looked harder, I would find it. Is it worth it? I don't think so. Checking on other stuff while I wait for this to compile. And okay, this compiles. It will generate a lot of info, some of that repeated. If we try, for instance, to run this, it will be chaotic now. Yeah. Well, it's looking better. We have our break lines. We see to which packet it was added. We have the information about when it's really appended, which happens here. Good. Somewhere we should have the alert count. Harder to see. There's one here. We have the alert count. Good. This there's somewhere I'm missing a line break, and it's where we have added. Yes, Juliana did not. Oops. Here. Missing a line break somewhere else. Why does it work here? I don't know. Added signature 6, internal ID 5 to packet. This looks bad. Oh, this is something else. This is here. Yeah, we just have this ugly thing, and because the other one did not have a line break, it looked like hell. And this is 2 statements, and I could not see because there's no line break. So these are good. The issue is apparently just with this one. Let's check. This one doesn't have it. Gotcha. Another? How many times did I commit this silly mistake? Many times it seems. Right, what else? Next, line break, line break, line break, line break, line break, line break. All right, looks better now. Let's do it again. I'm testing before I go to the real thing, because since it takes so much longer to compile the fuzzers, I want to have them right. It would be cool, although I don't know if it's possible, to just build a single fuzzer. We can tell which type of sanitizer, but that's when we are using the local source, which is one that I don't know how to do. We can do that. I'm already doing it. That's for reproducing. Oh, that's field figures. All right. I don't see how, so maybe it's not possible. We'll stick to what we have. Compilation went all right. Let's run it, see how it goes. Looking better now. I have the line breaks in place, apparently. Repeated, all right. But at this I had the position. Yeah, Juliana, it's your fault. Yes, yes. Color count check. Signature 8. What does this tell me? We have the packet, signature. This is excuse me, this is a pointer to the transaction. I don't really need that information, I guess. Transaction, okay. Pointer to the transaction, signature ID. What? Wait, no. Pointer to transaction. Transaction ID, signature ID, internal ID matched. Oh, let me clean that up because it's too much. So transaction ID, get rid of this. Cool. And I want a name here. Internal ID. I don't need that. It's self-explanatory to me. Okay, this will look better. And then I'll have more information for debugging with more certainty, because this works, but only partially. The result that I would expect to see is different, but the main reason why I'll have to redo it is because I reached the conclusion that we are seeing this for a case that is not printed, because here to move is 7 and here there's no man move, so it's fine. So my assumption is that the error happens afterwards and that I don't see it because we get the data boards, we get a segmentation failure, threads trigger to finish and break everything, and I don't have the information that I actually need. And because I'll have to redo it, why not add the print statements that I'm missing? And to make sure that I will see the print statement before hell breaks loose, I'm adding the print statement at a prior step. So here, before we even call packet alert append. So we will see this, and then we will have things breaking, hopefully. And to everyone who's new there, all of that is happening because I could not run, well, I can run the first artifact through GDB, but I don't have enough information there to debug from there, so no access to actual code or variables, and I was not able to figure out where to pass the proper flags, the build flags, to have the symbols where I need them. So we are going with print statements everywhere. It's ugly, I'll have to clean up the code, but it's better than nothing, and I don't want to be stuck in this task forever. So that's all right. What will happen now? I will here I will build the fuzzers again, and this takes a while, so I'll take advantage of that and I'll go for lunch, and I'll leave it building the fuzzers while I have lunch. After lunch, this will be ready, and we will go with reproducing, which is fast, and it's what we were seeing before. And for that part, I'll go back live and I'll just check what I have, the print statements, the new print statements, and figure out what are the values to see if I am finally able to get a better grasp on that bug. And yeah, I'll do that live, but because the other part takes so long, we'll go offline for that, because let's not waste everybody's time nor data, right? Okay. So that's it. Whoever is out there, thank you for joining. See you some other time, maybe after lunch. It should be in an hour or so. And that's it. Bye.